Welcome back to Warner Middle School and welcome to Math 7A. Hello, I'm Mr. Souza. I know I'm standing right next to the screen. I do this video to help save my voice for that night. So some things about me. This is my 13th year teaching at Warner. I have a bachelor's degree in mathematics from Cal State Fullerton. I also have a master's degree in educational technology from Cal State Fullerton. I teach Math 7A in advanced robotics, and I coach the robotics and archery teams. I've created a website for you and the students as a central location for all your math needs. The website is located right here. I will leave it on the screen for a little bit. If you need it, you can always message me on Jupiter Grades. I can always copy paste it and send it to you. You'll be able to find schedules, pacing guides, syllabi, calendars, everything you will need for this class. So why take Math 7A? Well, by taking Math 7A, these 2 years at Warner, 7th grade and 8th grade, you'll complete 3 years of mathematics. So by taking the 3 years of mathematics and entering high school as a geometry student, you unlock AP Statistics, Calculus AB, Calculus BC. These courses are usually not available to students that are just on the normal math path. And the good things about taking AP Stats, Calc AB, Calc BC, those classes count for college credits. And taking if you're going into a STEM school or a STEM field and you're going into engineering or mathematics or physics or whatever, having Calc BC gets rid of your calculus requirements for college, and you get to finish college. You might be able to finish college on time or a little earlier. So this is a very complicated math, but what high school math looks like. So starting off with algebra, this will be their 8th grade year, algebra 1, and then 9th grade will be either geometry or accelerated geometry, depending on the score they get on the geometry placement test. And then they will go into algebra 2 or algebra 2, move on to calculus. Or there is a way to skip straight to AP Stats from algebra 2. But you would still need pre-calc before going to calculus. So unless your student really likes statistics and really likes probabilities and stuff like that, I would probably recommend more of going to the pre-calculus route to calculus, but I'm a little biased. I like calculus. This is what the grading policy looks like. This is similar to what's on the syllabus that you guys all sign digitally that your students are supposed to take home and show you the digital version of the syllabus. Tests are worth 50%, quizzes are worth 15%, so assessments themselves are worth 65% of their grade. A bad test does really affect poorly in this class. So I do recommend trying to get 80% or higher on these tests and quizzes. That way, they're not working so hard at the end of the trimester to try to raise their grade. Homework is worth 20% of the grade. Activities and notes are worth another 15%. Homework that's turned in late will get deducted 10% each day it's late, up to 75%. And no late work will be accepted after the chapter test. Some basic class rules: have your stuff ready when you come into the class. Chromebook charged, we use that for homework. Paper, pencil for notes. Respect myself, respect the fellow students. Keep off-topic conversations to a minimum. It is expected that the students are doing their assignments on time, not cheating. Working together is fine, but not cheating. That's the academic honesty. Checking Jupiter Grades for messages. Looking at Google Classroom every day for video notes. Contacting me if they have any extra questions, or if they turn in an assignment late, they need to contact me on Jupiter Grades to let me know to check their homework. This class is very fast paced. We do a section a day. As of this back to school night, we're already on chapter 3. We've completed 2 chapters and 2 chapter tests, and we're now in chapter 3. Students are required to maintain an 80% minimum in this class. Does that mean when if your child drops to 70% at some point, they automatically dropped? No. But at the trimester, if their grade's not at 80%, then we'll be looking at their placement and seeing if they are actually correctly placed or if they need to be moved to Math 7. Daily routines, students walk into class, we review any homework questions, we have warm-up problems, we do a lesson or activity, and then homework time. I like to make sure the students have enough time to do homework in class so they can ask me questions. So they have either minimal homework from me to actually do at home, or they have no homework at all to take home. On assessment days, tests and quizzes, short review to clarify any questions. They take the test on paper or they take a quiz digitally. Quiz days, we might have a review after the quiz. Tests, they have the whole 80+ minutes to take the test, minus the short review time. And thank you and have a great day. If you have any questions, I am here to answer all your questions, and enjoy the rest of your nights.